reducing the skills gap in Europe is key to the advance of Europe as a society. And we are heavily committed. We have to be heavily committed to transforming that. As such, concrete actions have to be potentially three: education, education, and education. That means we need to make sure people have access to the right programs at the right time with the right resources. We are very, very happy at Digital for Business for developing a program that will be organically conceived by working with SMEs in what they need and with universities and other institutions to allow us to put together a transformative set of curricula that will enable us, people and society, to go into the next 10 and 20 years in technology, and I would say reducing the skills gap for the future.